Okay, so this morning we're going to be talking about how to join a new skein of yarn to your work. And the first thing that you would do is you would go ahead and knit. You make a loop and you'd have your tail about 6 to 8 inches long, and you would go ahead and knit that first stitch. Then this is where it changes. Let me show you. The old color goes up on top here in your left hand, and the new color goes in your right hand. Then you would grab that yarn and put it up over the top of the working needle, and you would go ahead and knit a stitch over the top, and then you knit under that blue yarn. Then you would knit over the blue yarn, and then you would drop that tail from the old one and continue on, and you would go, we will knit under and over and under, under and over. And let me show you what we have. And then both yarns have been woven in, and if you look on the back of the work, this is where your tail was woven in, and this is where the new skein of yarn has been woven in and added. So that's how you go ahead and add a new ball of yarn and weave in your ends as you go.